Back here at the Coliseum, Islanders and Lightning gearing up for their season series finale. Isles on the front end of back-to-back games here on Long Island. They're going to be playing the LA Kings here tomorrow.
And in comes Anders Lee, forces a turnover. Nelson, rolling puck, winds up in the blue paint. Diving after it and pushing it away was Dan Girardi. Vasilevsky wasn't sure where it was. Second overall in 2009, right after John Tavares. This puck comes along the end board. Sergachev gave it up at the line. Ryan Pulock to the front, tipped out high by Lee and then off the glass. This line's been going here in the early part of the first period.
Yeah, they've shown no rust at all.
Adam Pelech had a chance, he lost it. It's Point the other way. Johnston racing to join him. Point pulls up and a point-blank save by Greiss on Point. And that one close enough for Greiss to cover up. 7 saves combined between Vasilevsky and Greiss. Stamkos back at the goal, guarded by Josh Bailey. Stamkos on the spin for the goal, and right in front, and a great save by Greiss on Yanni Gourde.
Tremendous pass by Steven Stamkos into his zone. What a save it was by Greiss.
And for Adam Pelech. And it comes eventually to Komarov. Deflects on for Valtteri Filppula. Filppula to the middle of the ice for Ryan Pulock with a shot. Save, rebound! Kept out by Vasilevsky. Now Cole with a great opportunity. Now Komarov to the front, off the skate of Point. Beauvillier to Barzal, and Barzal backtracks to try to alleviate some pressure, then turns right around Yanni Gourde. Barzal down the right wing wall, rips a shot, save made by Vasilevsky. Beauvillier off the ice, so it's now Cole and Komarov on with Barzal for the moment.
Early penalty that they forced the Lightning to take.
Point on the move to the outside, kept there by Brock Nelson. Point handed to Sergachev. He took that one across the line and back in. That would have come back even if it went right through Thomas Greiss. Stamkos, Hedman, over for Kucherov. Back to the slot for Point. Touched over Stamkos. Greiss, a big save, and the rebound cleared by Mayfield.
Boy, 3 or 4 real good attempts for Stamkos. So the Islanders will certainly readjust there a little bit as to what they're doing with Stamkos. That next opportunity that they have.
Here's Matt Barzal trying to find a way in. He does with a pass to Brock Nelson. Barzal's picking himself up the ice again.
He was tripped.
Nelson for Barzal. Barzal, Eberle back to Barzal, and a glove save from Vasilevsky. And it keeps us scoreless. 7 seconds, all that's left on the Islanders' power play. Both the goals in that game for Chicago were scored on the power play. The Islanders have gone a long time without allowing an even strength goal as Chernak's shot trickles through the skates of Taves in and on goal.
Well, that was a tricky save for Thomas Greiss. He had to track that all the way as that puck deflected just in front of the net off of Taves.
They've gone over 200 minutes since their last even strength goal allowed. Cizikas has a beat on this one and beats everybody to the puck instead of going to the bench for a change. He finds Anders Lee, and a save made off the heel of the glove of Vasilevsky.
Oh, what a great opportunity for Anders Lee.
Nelson to Leddy. Quickly across for Barzal. And Barzal slides it out high. Lee with a turning shot. The save made by Vasilevsky, and then he kept it alive for his teammate to clear. His pass comes right back to him. Boychuk will have to gather it up again, but Point wouldn't let him on a clean pass out. And then Kucherov rips one wide, and it bounces off the end boards close enough for Greiss to cover.
Same with the Islanders as they get their third line on.
Filppula weaving, dropping. Komarov back over.
Gotta be kidding me. Filppula cannot believe that just happened. And a desperate save by Vasilevsky as he shot that left pad out.
Pretty nice puck movement. Got it onto the stick in a great spot for Filppula. And another one for Vasilevsky. 19 saves for each goaltender at this point. Puck comes out for Clutterbuck. He feeds Cizikas. He shoots, and a save is made by Vasilevsky.
That one just hopped on him too as he had to pull it up from behind and get a lot on it. But again, Vasilevsky having to make a good save.
And Taves will just flip this one into Lightning territory.
Just let me ease the pressure just a little bit here as the Lightning getting a little bit of a push.
Loose puck in front. Greiss the save, and Taves uses the skates to put that puck in the corner.
A good play by Joseph to steal the puck from Mayfield right in front of the goaltender Greiss. Maybe it's the winning atmosphere that's still in this building for all those years, Brendan, that allows the teams to continue to play well, or at least helps them.
Cernak with a off-angled shot in on Greiss, and then Johnny Boychuk, whether Greiss was ready for it or not, helped him cover the puck up. This is their 8th game here at the Coliseum. That one was tipped by Point, winds up off the glass. And then Hedman's shot redirected by Johnson. Leddy takes him to the glass. Picked up by Point. Out high for Hedman. A blast! And that got through on Grice, and he covers.
A real good read by Thomas Grice. He was able to track that puck in between all the legs that were in front of him. Barry Trotz with a little line change, it looks like.
Although Matt Barzal is halfway over the boards waiting for his opportunity to join Josh Bailey. Meanwhile, Johnson in front. Oh, Grice with a magnificent save on Brayden Point. Islanders get it clear.
3-on-2 rush by the Lightning as the Islanders got trapped. Tremendous passing by the Tampa Bay team.
Bailey angles by. Here's Ryan Pulock. Adam Pelech winds and shoots the tip from Bailey. And Barzal's shot was blocked. Bailey's backhand knocked down by Vasilevsky. Sergachev is buried by Pelech as the puck rolls away.
There's all kinds of excitement, opportunities as the Islanders come awful close as Barzal and Bailey have a couple of attempts. Bailey on the backhand, but Vasilevsky continues to make saves.
Pulock angles him off the puck. Beauvillier with a smack. Got through McDonough, but not across the line. Stamkos. And then a shot from Chernak. Save made by Grice. Popped that rebound out to the slot. Beauvillier and Bailey got their wires crossed. Back in the backhand from Stamkos. Sails high. He's got room to work for Anders Lee. Lee will get it in. Brock Nelson on the forecheck. McDonough leaves it for Eberle. Eberle in front, the backhand save made. The rebound is covered up by Vasilevsky. Trying to fight through it. Came out for Girardi. Wrist shot off into the corner. Hedman from a tough angle. Save made. The rebound. A swing and a miss from Alex Killorn. 2:20 to go in the third. Eberle. Brock Nelson. Anders Lee. Lines. Fires. A glove save from Vasilevsky. And as it comes free for Barzal. Gloves down. Barzal slows it up. Beauvillier hammered one on goal. Here he is again. Blocked by McDonough.
Barzal right to Beauvillier. What a shot that was. Look at the positioning of the goaltender. Vasilevsky again.
Fumbles the puck, but maintains control and comes back out to settle it down again.
He says, let me get a hold of this puck and go in the opposite direction.
Here's Bailey with a little room to skate. Josh Bailey into the slot. Stopped by Vasilevsky, and he's forced to cover.
Oh, what a save that was. Vasilevsky moving out to the top of the crease.
He has 4 shootout goals in his career. Brock Nelson against Andre Vasilevsky, who came way out, now backs in, and Nelson had nowhere to go.
That was a smart move by Vasilevsky. He said, I'm going to take away this shot right away. Odd choice right off the bat for Coach John Cooper, but we'll see what happens.
You see his 6 career shootout goals, and he comes in trying to lull Grice to sleep and then rips it past the glove hand.
And there's why he chose him. Just a great wrist shot there.
And so now it's Nikita Kucherov. Super skilled player Kucherov comes in on Grice. And Grice makes the save as he stuck that right leg out.
Yeah, he was going stick side all the way, and Thomas Grice read him like an open book.
Josh Bailey in on Vasilevsky. And a save made by the Lightning goaltender, who stops them all in regulation, all in overtime, and all in a shootout. But no reason for the Islanders to hang their head after a 1-0 shootout loss.
And the 2 stars of the game were the goaltenders. I mean, you can't talk anymore about this hockey game without talking about how good these goaltenders were. Thomas Grice, Vasilevsky, both of them superb.